Welcome to 100K Quizzes channel. Subscribe to our YouTube quiz channel for weekly brain-teasing challenges and trivia fun. Are you ready? What is the most populated country in the world? India, United States, China? India. What is the capital city of Estonia? Vilnius, Riga, Tallinn? Tallinn. Which country would you visit to see the Colosseum? Greece, Italy, Spain? Italy. What is the world's deepest lake, and where is it located? Lake Tanganyika, Africa, Lake Baikal, Russia, Crater Lake, USA? Lake Baikal, Russia. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City, Monaco, Liechtenstein? Vatican City. How many time zones are there in the contiguous US? 3, 4, 5? Four. What is the capital city of Hungary? Prague, Bucharest, Budapest? Budapest. What is the official currency of Brazil? Real, peso, dollar? Real. Which country is known as the Emerald Isle? Iceland, Scotland, Ireland? Ireland. What is the capital city of Denmark? Aarhus, Odense, Copenhagen? Copenhagen. What is the capital city of Austria? Vienna, Salzburg, Graz? Vienna. How many countries are there on the continent of Africa? 54, 50, 58? 54. Which country is known as the land of a million elephants? Vietnam, Laos, Thailand? Laos. What is the capital city of the state of Texas? Houston, Austin, Dallas? Austin. What is the largest museum in the world? British Museum, Vatican Museum, the Louvre? The Louvre. What is the official language of Liechtenstein? German, French, Italian? German. Which state was the first to join the United States? Delaware, Virginia, Pennsylvania? Delaware. How many recognized countries are there in the world? 193, 195, 197? 195. Roughly, how many islands make up the country of Indonesia? 7,000, 13,000, 17,000. 17,000. What is the official currency of Mexico? Peso, yen, ruble. Peso. What is the capital city of Croatia? Split, Dubrovnik, Zagreb. Zagreb. What is the capital city of Ghana? Accra, Kumasi, Lagos. Accra. What U.S. state would you visit to see Mount Rushmore? South Dakota, North Dakota, Wyoming. South Dakota. What is the most populous city in Europe? Paris, Istanbul, Moscow. Moscow. What is the most populous city in North America? Mexico City, New York City, Toronto. Mexico City. In which country is the Hagia Sophia located? Greece, Turkey, Egypt. Turkey. What is the capital city of Nicaragua? Granada, Managua, Leon. Managua. When was Washington, D.C. founded as a city? 1790, 1800, 1776. 1790. What is the capital city of Mali? Timbuktu, Bamako, Sikasso. Bamako. What language is the most spoken in the world? English, Hindi, Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese. How many main time zones are there in Australia? 2, 3, 4. 3. What is the world's largest ocean? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. What is the circumference of Earth in miles? 24,901, 20,464, 31,846. 24,901. In which country are the Dolomites located? Switzerland, Italy, France. Italy. What landform marks the lowest elevation on Earth's surface? Death Valley, Mariana Trench, Dead Sea. Dead Sea. What is the official currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, pound sterling, dollar. Pound sterling. What is the largest U.S. state by land area? Alaska, Texas, California. Alaska. What is the largest lake in North America? Great Bear Lake, Lake Superior, Lake Michigan. Lake Superior. What is the administrative capital of South Africa? Cape Town, Johannesburg, Pretoria. Pretoria. Which country would you visit to see the Palace of Versailles? Belgium, France, Italy? France. If you enjoyed the challenge, don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing quizzes. Leave your comment on how many questions you got right in the comment section below. Don't forget to share the quiz with family and friends.